you, Grover, said Bert. I like being kind because being kind makes me feel like a good friend. Yay! Okay. Oscar the Grouch. Okay, last book, and then we gotta get ready for bed. Yucky, yucky. I'm so lucky to feel yucky. Don't you like to feel yucky too? Asked Oscar the Grouch. Slimy smiled. I guess your name is not Slimy for nothing, said Oscar. Worms are known for their yuckiness. Do you think anybody else likes yucky things as much as we do? Oscar wondered. Let's find out, Slime, said Oscar. We'll ask everyone we see. Getting wet in the rain should make me feel yucky, mumbles Grover to himself. But I, Grover, like singing in the rain. Okay, we'll find out about that. Elmo thinks finger painting feels yucky, said Elmo. Yes, but we love finger painting. It's so much fun, says Zoe. Me hands covered in cookie dough, says Cookie Monster. But yucky is yummy. Some folks think that sticky is icky, slimy, and grimy. Dusty is musty. But to me, yucky is just ducky. That's right, Ernie. The end. Check your business. What were we talking about?
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Let's go upstairs and get your